Okay, got to do a little bit more work on the trailer. No update from the Defender this week. I've really got to get rid of this trailer now. I think another couple of weeks we'll have it finished. Running out of room in my driveway. Once I got that, then I'll get stuck back into the Defender. This week I think what I need to do is I need to repair the glass fibre on the back. I bought some car filler. I'm going to pack that up with car filler, and then I'm going to put the screws back in and screw the alloy back in. I've also got a Patreon now. Anyone out there wants to support the channel, you know, go and have a look on Patreon for Life Fiend. Depending on what tier you sort of pick, you get notified when videos come out before everybody else. You get some free decals. One of the higher tiers, you get a free Life Fiend mug as well. Right, this is what I've got to try and repair. Actually, let me bring the camera down. So, right, so what you got here, you got a fiberglass sheet with a wood behind it, which is completely rotted. I think what happens is when if you get any moisture in these things, if they're slightly, you know, the water will always go to one side, and I think that's what's happened here. So this alloy strip then goes up against that, and I've got some screws hold it up. And obviously the screws, there's nothing there for the screws to go into. What I'm going to do, I think, is just pack this up with just normal body filler, clamp the alloy strip up there, and then when it's hard, come back and put the screws in. Alright, so what we got here, multi-purpose body filler. Okay, instructions, blah blah blah. Right, so we have a hardener, the filler itself, just need to find out what the ratio is. Okay, so we need, for every golf ball size of paste, you need a pea size of hardener. I think it's going to take quite a lot. Great. Right, so there's my golf ball. Obviously the more hardener you put in, the quicker it'll go off. So I'm not making any precision body filling here, I'm just packing it in tiny fiberglass, nobody's going to see it. Just need to go hard enough to hold the screws when I put the screws back in. I hope I don't drop any on the camera. I think I might have to do this in 2 jobs, you know. Quite a lot to put up here. Right, so hopefully that will now go off and that clamp will keep it in place, and then next time I'll just come along and I'll put the screws back up. Hopefully it'll all work.